In this episode, I'm going to apply the concept of distinguishing resistance from lack of clarity. I'm going to talk about how an extreme programming practice that seems obvious on the surface could leave you scratching your head at why you're getting so much resistance from your team when trying to implement it. I'm talking about pair programming. Pair programming. What could be simpler? Put two people at the same computer and watch the magic happen. You say to your team, next Monday, we're going to devote the afternoon to trying pair programming. Monday comes, and people all find a way to avoid it. Despite you having blocked everyone's calendars, they all have somewhere else to be. Are you experiencing resistance? Everyone seemed to be in agreement last week that pair programming was something they wanted to try. So what happened? Perhaps you could have been more clear about what pair programming entailed. For starters, many people are confused on what the navigator, that is, the person who is not doing the typing, is supposed to do. This confusion, besides leading to resistance to pairing in general, can also weaken the benefits of pairing. Often what happens is the navigator follows along as best they can for a while as the driver takes complete control. Then their ability to concentrate weakens over time, eventually leading to zoning out. What can be done? There are a couple of approaches. One is strong style pairing. In strong style pairing, the driver does nothing that the navigator did not tell them to do. This fully engages the navigator. When the driver needs to contribute an idea, they must relinquish the keyboard to the navigator and then do the directing from the navigator position. For teams that practice test-driven development, another option is ping-pong pairing. In ping-pong pairing, the write a failing test, make it pass, refactor loop is used to fully engage both partners. Partner 1 starts out as the driver, writes a failing test, and hands the keyboard over to partner 2. Partner 2 makes the test pass, does any refactoring, writes the next failing test, and hands the keyboard back to partner 1. And this repeats throughout the pairing session. If you teach these simple techniques to your team, you may find that you can make pairing less confusing and thus less intimidating to teams that are beginners in pairing. And what you thought was once resistance may turn out to have been a lack of clarity.